Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us our platform model at Lunis Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we are going to present our 16th lecture titled What is Artificial Intelligence? So I have divided my 16th lecture into the following elements as follows. What is artificial intelligence? What are the types of artificial intelligence? Career opportunities in artificial intelligence, language activities. Should I use its or their when referring to a company? And finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is artificial intelligence? AI is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, but advancements in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of the tech industry. For examples of AI, self-driving cars. Types of artificial intelligence. There are three ways to classify artificial intelligence based on their capabilities rather than types of artificial intelligence. These are stages through which AI can evolve. Narrow AI, artificial general intelligence, super intelligence, career opportunities in artificial intelligence, AI ML engineer developer, AI analyst specialist, data scientist, research scientist, product manager, robotics scientist. Language activities, it's is a singular possessive pronoun for, while there is a plural possessive pronoun for. Both are correct when talking about a company because it's a collective noun. It's more common to use it's because company typically takes on a singular pronoun form. You can see that with the following sentences. The company will give its opinion on these issues in a few months. The company will issue their address when they feel ready in the near future. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.